And in here we've got the gym room. So this is where I'm going to be spending my mornings, because it's important to do some workouts in the morning. Get your workout on. So yeah, we've got a whole gym, and outside, I think this takes us outside. It's easy to get lost in here, guys. Like, you don't even know where the next door goes to. There's so many doors going to so many different places, you don't even know where you're going half the time. So here we are outside, and we've got the pool overlooking the golf course and a slide, and I'm going to try and be the first one to go down the slide, so keep an eye out for that.
Can I get you? Can I get you? Can I get you? To the pool? See what you started? Oh, he's got his I was just kidding, man.
You are such a dumbass!
You got that on video? What do you got there?
Oh, fuck.
Hey, yeah. Grab your stuff, James. You're right there. Oh, you got his wallet in his pocket. Oh, your phone isn't in there, is it? No, I haven't. His phone is right here doing it live. Everybody's watching. No,
you got it on Facebook.
Yeah, that was live!
No!
Yes! I was doing it live, and Marco decided to push me in.
Hey guys, let's go outside.
I was taking you with me.
I'm gonna take a drone shot. Everybody outside.
Oh dear.
Oh, okay.
So there's some good footage for you guys.
Good idea, man.
Hey, how's your wallet?
Oh dear. Man, I can't believe you just did that.
This is my only
I can't believe you just did that.
I can't believe you just did that.
We have room.
There he goes, back.
Man, we can't go through there.
So, yeah.
There's already the drone.
We've got the drone going on.
Man, we can't do that.
Luckily, Ruben was holding the phone for me. Luckily, I didn't have my other phone in my pocket.
Are we still live? No.
Yeah, we're still live.
Come on, man. You're kidding.
No, look, we are live.
Oh my
I'm not even
God.
joking. Look, we've got a load of viewers as well. Everyone thought that was really good content.
Yeah, that's Builderall Mansion, man.
Oh dear.
Okay.
I'm squishing. I was giving people a tour, but now I'm all wet. So yeah, you never know what's going to happen at the Builderall Mansion. And here we are, all wet, and he messed up my hair, look at that. So I'm going to swap now.